What's the matter?
Like, no matter how nice I just made this harness,
It's beautiful.
it gets eclipsed by all the rest of it that I know that I'm probably going to have to go through. With the ECU harness that's just kind of like, it's just there. And then we have the horns and all this other stuff. Like, you can barely tell what the hell I just fixed.
All right, Sean. How are we looking on wiring now?
Well, it's close. I know it doesn't look like we're getting too far, and rope isn't really a good conductor.
Definitely not. Looks cool, though.
Yeah. But this helps me get everything that I need to know to length and where we're going to go and how to make it look at least somewhat presentable. We're putting everything together. Right now, I have everything at least plotted. I have to tear all of it out, measure it,
Order parts.
and order all the parts for it, and then start putting everything together.
Awesome.
Hopefully have it done within this week if we can get all the parts in time.
Should be able to.
Yeah.
At least probably by the end of the week, I would say.
Yeah. Have a long weekend.
Yeah.
It is Sunday.
Yeah.
I'm wearing my sweet Iceland shirt.
Ooh. Well, right on. Cool. Looking forward to the new harness. This will be good. Can't wait to fire it up. And our schedules are still good. I get to build headers and you get to build wiring.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
My favorite thing to do. Clean all of it up. Oh, God. It's done.
What is this conglomeration we got over here?
It's a snake.
It is a snake.
It's a big old snake.
That's a lot of wire.
Oh, it will be.
I'd say so. Yeah, I have no idea what you're doing, but you're doing a great job at it.
I know.
And I love it.
It's going to be the harness.
What's that guy?
Oh, that one? That's for the fuse box.
Oh,
Yeah. Because it's separate.
that is a good amount of length. Wow. It's like the central nervous system of the truck. Look at this beautiful wiring harness. Sean,
Hello.
look at this.
I know.
So now what? Where are we?
You got to put it in.
This goes in that. All right. Anything special new now, aside from amazing awesomeness and actually done proper and not in a driveway?
No.
No?
Real nice. Yeah. Gotta get it in, which is gonna be fun because it's a pretty big snake.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to run it through a bunch of stuff that I really don't want to. But it should all
Well,
work.
I mean, it's part of it, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. All right.
Well, I guess I'll leave you at that, and I'm gonna go back to welding a light bar.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, you better get that done.
I know you need it badly, and I'm the one slacking now. You're beating me.
Just like that.
The master at work. Look at this wiring right here.
And then this little Johnny just go right there.
I mean, it's just everything's perfect. And this is you haven't even been on the truck. You're just putting it on the truck now.
Yeah.
I watched you build it on a table. It's crazy. Sean the mad scientist. This thing's gonna be going good.
crazy when a switch.
Look how much cleaner that wiring is.
You have no control.
Granted, it's not zip tied up yet. Still got to do that. We're going to make some standoffs. Instead of zip tying it to the tube, we're going to make them a little isolated. Make everything work better.
Calm down. This is not over. Yeah.
Make this so nice. It's gonna be such a
It's going to be.
thing.
It's going to be.
I'm gonna get him to allow me to make a real nice engine harness.
Yes. That's the next step. I've been telling them since day one.
This is uncalled for.
We'll get it.
There's so much.
We'll get it.
going on. Every time we work on this, it just gets so much better.
Damn right it does. This truck has surprised even both of us, all of us, every single person. I don't know how it is. You know what? Sometimes it just is what it is.
Oh, that's true.
All right. Let's call it. I'm out.